Hey, it's Brad Campbell here with CIT 336. Just going to go through Enhancement 1 and go through my files here. As you see on my NetBeans screen here, I have my footer PHP. I'll open each of these just so that we can look through them. This is the index PHP. Make sure I have my nav open. And the template. So this is the index. We'll start here. Next file is the template. Next is my CSS. Also have a medium and large. Have the footer. We have the home. We have the nav. And this is the header. Those are each of the files that I have in NetBeans. I'm going to go back to index.php. I'm going to run this file. It should run in Chrome. Here it is in small screen size. I was not able to get the opaque background on this, but everything is responsive. Just scroll through it. You have the footer at the bottom. You have the main content area with the featured recipes and the links. The content on the right. You also have the banner image. And I want it now. You have the hover set on the navigation. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to test the HTML, validate it. No errors. I'm going to do the same thing for the CSS. No errors found. I'm going to go back to NetBeans now. I'm going to run the template. Go back to Chrome. This is the template file. Now I'm going to validate this, the local CSS. No errors found. Sorry. Now I'm going to test the HTML on the template. Hold on one second. No errors found. Back to the screen. I really enjoyed working on this project. I'm sorry I said product, but anyway, for Enhancement 1, this is the site that we were asked to build, and signing out. Thank you.